Well, it's about 4:30 right now. This was me and Jack's home last night. And we are about to go on a pretty freaking nuts hike. Yeah, the sun's nowhere near coming up yet, but we're gonna get the headlamp on and do it. My adventure buddy is ready to go. And so the adventure begins. Look at how beautiful those ridge outlines are. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this for a freaking view. Oh my god. Sun is rising. Moon's out. With Jack Attack. This is next level. Insane. I can't stop smiling. Oh my god. The sun just started to touch the peaks of the biggest mountains. Alright, I think I'm coming up on the view I came here to see. For sure, this has got to be one of the craziest views I've ever seen. Are you fucking ready for this? Oh my god. Oh, someone's tired.